Welcome, this is the DBMS question practical session. In this video I am going to do the 39th question of this session. So let me show you the question. So in this question we have to do some execute some relational algebra queries for the previously created database, and these are the questions. So first one, we have to write a relational algebra query to find the details of the brand Puma products, and we have to use these details. And second one, write the relational algebra query to find the details of the gender male user among the registered users. And to do this, we have to use those details IDs. And for the third one, write the relational algebra query to find the details of the registered users, gender male, user type employee. To do this, we have to use those details in here as well. And for the fourth one, write the relational algebra query to find the details about the products whose brand is DSI and Bata. And to do this, we have to use those IDs as well in here. So I'm going to do those in Word because we have no any other software to do that. So first I'm going to do the first one, write the relational algebra query to find the details of the brand Puma products. To do that, we have to use the sigma function, sigma mark, and we have to specify the brand ID, which is the condition in here. Brand ID is brand underscore ID according to our database. Brand ID equals 4 in this situation. It is given in the details as well. Brand underscore ID. So, and we have to specify the table in here. So table is product table is according to our database. And for the second one, we have to write the relational algebra query to find the details of the gender male users among the registered users. So I'm going to take this and modify it. So we have to use the we have to select the gender ID. It is equal for 1 for the males, and we have to specify the table which is user is the table, and that is it for the second one. Find the details of the gender male using among the registered users. So user table and the gender ID equals 1. And for the third one, we have to find the male users and who are employees as well. So for that query, I'm going to use, first we have to specify the users. So I'm going to again put an condition in here by I'm going to specify in here again a table row, and I have to specify the column specify the condition. Gender should be 1 because it should be male, and again according to the table it should be user. So from this result we have to specify the employees. So user type should be user type ID should be 1. So that should be the query to this. User type ID should be 1 and gender ID. So users, we are searching first users from the gender ID 1 and sorting them again into the user type ID equals 1. So that is the query for the third one. And for the fourth one, I have to find the products which are in the brand Bata and DSI. So to do that, we have to use the table, and the brand ID should be 1 and 2. brand ID should be 1, 2 because those are the products brand IDs which are to DSI and the BATA, and those are the relational algebra queries for those questions. And that is it for the 39th question as well, and thank you for watching.